Whether you've been in this business for a couple of years or you're just getting started, one of the big questions that most people have is, how do I get started building a team? And where should I even begin that process? What I did is, at the beginning, I did everything myself. And really quickly, talking to other people in landscaping and other industries, I realized that at 25, I was able to work really hard, burn the candle at both ends of the wick, and do a lot. I could do nighttime demos, I could go meet customers, I could install, I could answer phones, and I was doing everything by myself. But there's a point that that's just going to get hard. And typically, for most people, as they get into 39, 40, 45, you just get tired of doing everything. So what I'd recommend getting started is, the first person I would hire would be somebody to help on the installations. I remember not selling parts of jobs because I knew I was the one that had to trench it and I was the one that was going to have to install it. And I remember a customer said to me, what if we put some lights on these river birch trees at the end of the driveway? And I looked, it was about a 400-foot trench. I knew the ground wasn't that good. I'm like, I don't think that's going to be the best thing to do, just because I didn't want to do it. And so one of the first people you hire is somebody to help on the installations. And what I'm typically looking for is someone with maturity. That's not an age thing, that's a mentality. Someone that is responsible, someone that you can trust, somebody that has integrity, that's friendly, that's good to work with. And so you want to find that first person, and they're not scared of hard work. When it's a small business and it's just one or two of you out there, everybody's just all in. Like, we just all have to get this job done.